So now we're going to go ahead and talk about the way a funnel flows. I talked about how funnels and websites are very different. And the reason why they're different is because their intention is different. All right. And in order for me to really cover funnel flow and why funnels are important, I need to talk about the temperature of your audience. All right. So in the very beginning, your traffic is cold. When your traffic gets to your squeeze page, they should be warm. And once you get them over to your bridge page, that's hot traffic. So let's talk about what each one of these really means. All right, so when your traffic is cold, this means that the audience has no idea who you are. So when they have no idea who you are, they probably don't like you. They have no idea who you are. And the only way you're going to capture their attention is by talking about whatever problem they're having. In my case, people who want to make money online are usually frustrated with their 9 to 5. They're usually frustrated because they're barely making ends meet. They're frustrated because they want to spend more time with their family. They probably have a lot of stress in their life. So I'm going to talk about those problems because that's how you all will relate to me. Because I understand it because I've been through it. I know what you're feeling, so I can speak to it. And that's the only way that we're going to connect. And so then what happens when the audience gets warm? At this point, they like you enough to follow you. They're still deciding if they trust you, but they're down to follow you. So once they're here in the squeeze page, you can begin to introduce the solution to the problem. You're talking about, I found this program that allowed me to quit my job. I found this program that allowed me to make money on the side. You're really introducing them to the solution. All they knew was that they had a problem, right? Now you're bringing them over to say, hey, that problem actually has a solution. So logically, the next step is, oh, this is what that solution is. And that's when you're hot traffic, they trust you, they're willing to follow your advice. So you're going to let them know, you're going to say, yeah, that solution that I was talking about, it exists and it's provided by this company and this product. And that's when you send them off to the experts, and then the experts will do the selling, they'll do the closing, they'll do everything else that you don't have to worry about. So I hope that makes sense to everyone. This is really important part to understand because I also see a lot of mistakes, and I personally made a lot of mistakes when I first started. I didn't know. I was talking about the product and my traffic content. Like I was doing things out of order and it wasn't working. And so again, a lot of the training out there, I'm just doing this to make sure that you guys start off on the right foot. I want you guys to be successful.